What's going on? It's Dan. So, we're outside and we're at Holly Oaks in Holly, Michigan. Getting Sarge 2.0 out for the first time, do a little shakedown run, test all the bells and whistles, and oh, Brad was riding shotgun. Just gonna do a little shakedown run. We have our club snowway event in 2 weeks. So I just want to run through the truck, test out everything, and make sure everything's good to go. I got about 50 miles on it around town and on the street. So far all that's been great. Oh, who else is here? We got John Sherwin with his LJ Rubicon. He also has, that's the driver of Mud Wasp. There's Brad again. So ready to test everything out. And then we got...
Let's go!
Sawyer, you ready?
Let's go!
All right, let's get some footage. All right, real quick. So me and Sarge 2.0's here. John Parks and Gilbert's here. And John and the LJ again. So be us three today, ripping around, preparing for Snowway.
Get out of my way, the big green machine says, as John's kind of can't get up and over that little obstacle there. Back it up. Now he should have it. cut it. As the LJ just walks through it. Yeah, buddy! I don't think we're gonna see any Sasquatch out here today. It's too freaking cold. But maybe we will. They got a nice fur coat, right? One tons and 40s for the win. This thing better be recording. I can't freaking see if it is or not. Oh yeah, it is. Good. Huh. LJ just hanging out watching. Alright, I'm gonna stop this clip.
looks and feels since we've been here last and in the winter.
Oh yeah, I mean it's totally different since the last time I was here. Except for the double hump hill when you first come in.
Right.
Oh yeah, we went up here with the with our Bronco run when we were here last.
Yep. I saw a skid plate drag from that Bronco. Yeah, so we're in low, second gear, low, open. Just crawling. I love this valve body. Reverse manual valve body from Silver Fox. I manually control first, second, third.
Yep, we're good. 3.8 Atlas.
Yeah, 3.8 Atlas, 538 gears, zip lockers, front and rear. Isn't normally my favorite view of videoing, but I figured we'd catch a little bit of these two while we're cruising. John, it's an LG, but what year is it? 06?
I think it's a 6, yeah.
We got a new Bronco in front of us. This is my first outing with the Explorer. And then John Parks behind us. And Brad with riding shotguns. Riding shotgun.
Yeah, there you go, see? Riding shotgun.
And my son Mason. Finally getting to ride in Daddy's truck. Say hi, Mason. And then we have a, what? Was it a two-door TJ or something behind us?
Yeah, that's what it looked like.
That thing looks like it's built pretty good. Don't know much about Jeeps, but it looks good. Yeah, 2-week countdown.
John's behind us.
John's behind us, Mason.
And John's in front on the Jeep.
Yeah, there's two Johns. And your new friend Sawyer.
Walk in the park. Who you got in there? Is it Sawyer? Wave, Sawyer. What you got in there? Oh, hi Mason. How you doing? See any Bigfoot yet today? Any Bigfoot?
Looking for him.
Looking for him? All right.
All right, back on the trailer. It was an awesome day getting this thing out, testing everything, and did not disappoint. I had a little bit of an issue with the rear air locker. I don't know if it just had air, or not air in the line, but I don't know if it had condensation or something, or it just needed to be, I don't know, bled or something. But once everything was moving and everything was warmed up, it worked flawlessly. So having these 538s and the Atlas 3.8 first gear, I mean, I can just let it roll without even touching the brake down some of these really steep inclines. Front and rear lockers, I mean, I'm just crawling over everything. So I didn't do anything too crazy today, which I didn't put in the video yet, but I started doing the rock sliders. I got the passenger side one mocked up. I'll show you those real quick, but hopefully get those wrapped up this week. So I'll cover more later on, but there's 4 boxes with welded nuts that they'll bolt to, but I'll cover that in the next video. So awesome day, truck did great. Fun day with Brad riding shotgun, and John Sherwin with his LJ, and John Parks with his B2. So today was a success. Little shakedown run, they call it. So see you guys later.